Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to time travel in Melon Playground. First, get the nano assembler and spawn the Labris in it. Labris and the rocket engine and the propeller, and turn it on. And you see a box. Get it out and activate it. Follow the pattern I'm doing. Wait. And the red button is gonna pop up. Press the red button. And you're gonna see a clock. Type 2708 2021 and okay, and see this animation. Bam, cool, right?